Hello po. Today we are going to cook fluffy scrambled egg. These are the ingredients: eggs, butter, salt and pepper, and cream cheese. First, we're gonna crack the egg. Then we're gonna beat using the whisk. Next, heat the pan.